So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Launch Free campaign we look at yet one more popular app and that is Zomato. Now the Zomato app is used for either booking restaurants or for ordering food online. Now let's look at what needs to be done. Now this is an Android powered smartphone and as you may have guessed, for any app to be used you need to first head towards the Play Store and download the app. Now I already have the Zomato app installed. This is actually the third one, not the first one that you see out there. So it gives me the option to update, which I don't want to as of now. So I head towards my phone, look for Zomato app and open it up. So this presents to me the Zomato user interface and you can see like there are quite many options like recommendations for dining out, daily restaurants, other things like you can see various other things. But at present, what I want to do is actually order food online. Feeling hungry right now. You see, there is some coupon that's being advertised. However, I tried, it's not working. Now, what I want to do is I just click on order food online. It opens up quite a few many type of delicacies. Like I can click on Chinese and it shall open up all the restaurants that serve Chinese. But as my luck would have it, you can see all of them are presently closed. Now, say for example, I click on any some restaurant that's like visible right now and say I decide to have something. Say I want to have Laziz Buna Murg Biryani. Oh my god. I click on add in that case and I can see that it's added to the cart. So I can add to my cart like this. I can add something else as well. No need to worry. I mean, in case you are thinking that this will actually get billed or something like that, you can always go ahead to your cart and then once you are there, you can always again customize this. You can add on quantities, you can subtract this. Add on quantities would be like clicking on the plus button. Subtracting quantities is like clicking on the minus button. So what I'm trying to suggest here is by clicking on restaurants, you can actually enter on their menu items and then go ahead and decide to have some of it in case you're really hungry. Now I want to enter fast food so that I can click on some food items that fast food serves. I basically feel like having a keema pav right now. So I go ahead, click on add. So it's added to the cart. And then now that I'm practically here, so this is what any app does, right? Like once you click on the food item, things done, you want to pay and start the process, right? So here what you have is you have a promo code. So we already seen that June 30 doesn't work, although it was highlighted. We'll try, let's see Lady Luck if it shines on us. I don't think it will. Mm, this offer is not valid for you anymore, so it's okay. I think it doesn't make sense anymore. So okay, I mean, in case you want to give some special instructions, you can always write here, like maybe less spicy or something like that. It reaches the restaurant, and then once things done, I want to actually go ahead and make the payment. So I can do cash on delivery. So once the guy comes, I pay him, or I can do net banking. So I click on this, and I shall now pause it for some time, I believe. So actually it directs me to the ICICI net banking gateway. So I will show you after I have made the fund transfer so that I don't reveal my credentials. So almost on the last step of it. So I will just check if things are okay. So yes, your payment has been made successfully. So just waiting for the confirmation to arrive. And there you go, the order's been placed and enjoying Zomato. Well, I don't want to say anything about it right now, not now. So 35 minutes to delivery, the payment's been received, the order's been confirmed, and right now, as you can see, it's in the kitchen. So what I will do is I will pause it here. I will wait for it to be completed in the kitchen, show you in fact the entire step, like when it's on the way and how it's delivered till the time the guy comes. Maybe show it on a real basis so that this can help people who would be wanting to order food from Zomato. So what do you say all about? What was that? So what do you have to say about all the recording that we did? Stay tuned as I pause and I wait for the order to be completed. Well guys, I have been waiting for this for some time now. It's been almost 5-6 minutes. So it says that it's been prepared in the kitchen. I mean, you can track your order obviously. And presently there's someone called as Nitala. He is on the way and it writes it's on the way with your box full of happiness. I mean, it's just a keema pav, I guess. But okay, yeah. I mean, it's maybe happiness. So what we do is we now pause it here, and next time when you see the screen, I mean, I will show you actually Nitala carrying the box, and we say thank you to him. Okay. तो मुझे कॉल आ गया था एंड एक्चुअली ही इज ऑन द डोर, सो आई विल जस्ट ओपन द डोर, जस्ट अ मोमेंट. Matula, right?
Huh?
Matula, right? Matula. Your name is Matula, is it?
Chaitanya.
Achha, I'm actually recording this entire thing. So
Okay.
it came to me that some Matula is going to come.
Okay.
Okay. Anyways, just one, be with me. Okay. So this is how, like, finally the food has arrived from Zomato.
Uh-huh.
And thank you so much.
It's okay, no problem.
Thank you. So this is the third process. Wherein actually the thing got changed, but anyways, we actually have food with us right now. And I will just check whether the quality of food is good enough. And we'll also check what happens in the app right now, because it should now show delivered, right? So, food, tasty food from Fasus. Okay. So this is what we have with us on the app. I guess in a few moments it should show delivered. And in the meantime, we just open it up and check how things are. So yeah, things look good. So this is our lunch box. Perfectly fine. Good packing, I must admit. Okay, I mean, that can be done later as well. So guys, this is how you would be enjoying tasty food in case you do your booking through Swiggy. I guess we have shown everything that needs to be done. You can start consuming that food right now, and we'll just show this delivered as well. Well guys, I tried hard enough. The last portion of the app, which is delivered, doesn't seem to immediately take effect. I guess that's okay. I mean, this is how you would be then booking food using like Zomato, and I'm feeling terribly hungry right now. I mean, I need to consume this at the latest. So in case you are wondering on how to use Zomato, well, this is how you'd be ordering food using Zomato, and this is how the entire things work. So great enough. And well, I mean, have you received? Okay, so the delivery time and everything has also come. Yes. And I will rate them 5-star. No, that's optional, so I click on done. So that's it. God bless you. Goodbye.